Hi everyone, Nigel Saunders here. I'm here with Connor and we are visiting the Tropical Bonsai.com. Let's have a look at what they have. Here is an example of a water jasmine. It is amazing. Check that out. Just amazing. Here's some of these smaller trees, complete in bonsai pots, some ornamental stones and temples. Every style and shape you can imagine. Wow. There is just some fantastic trees in here. Some amazing, amazing tropicals. Wow. Check out this one. Massive. What do you think, Connor?
I feel like I'm in a forest.
Yeah, it looks like you are too. There you are. Here's the head of marketing, Ian. Hi, Ian. How are you?
Good.
This is just an amazing collection. It's I feel very special to be able to see them all. It's really cool. Wow. Giant trees, some of them. Look at this one in here. Just beautiful. So you're in a helicopter ride flying above a jungle.
Is this a dwarf or the same as the other water jet?
Oh, water jasmine.
But just right, like just more pruning. Right.
There's the system that puts humidity in the room here and a fan to blow it around. It's very tropical in here.
Right.
Wow.
Yeah, the pads. Yeah.
They're amazing, amazing trees.
And these are the bluebells. Right.
This one, and that's one. Water jasmine bundy.
Oh, okay.
If they allow we in the family, look like the Antidasma, but and then the Antidasma, but that means the last name. In the family, they have the
more varieties. Yeah.
Oh, I see.
That's right.
Wow, so this is just a small portion of things to come, eh? This is amazing. They're such good quality trees too. Like
Yeah.
Yeah.
they're not your regular trees you see in
Definitely not.
for sale in Canada. These are all special. Like
Exactly. It is.
yeah, these are very special trees. They're
It's the flowers there.
oh yeah. My water jasmine's flowering.
Yeah, just
It's doing really well. Thanks so much for that tree. It's just wonderful. I really appreciate it. So Connor, how many are you taking home with you?
I said no more tropical. I'll have to make an exception.
Yeah, I know. It's how can you turn down trees like these, eh? These are just exceptional. They might change everyone's mind about tropicals in the Toronto Bonsai Society. They'll go, wow, I've never seen tropicals like this before.
Right.
Oh yeah.
yeah, but also, you got the permit?
Wow, it's just amazing. Amazing trees.
You know, because I'm Canadian,
Yeah.
we investment overseas. The bonsais here and there, that's why I asked you the permits why.
Right.
I see. Wow, it's just amazing. Connor's checking out the trees.
Just look at the bases.
I know, they're fantastic. They're beautiful, aren't they? They're just... yeah, they're just wonderful trees. Just wonderful. Just wow.
Oh, is it the bluebell or something else?
Bluebell.
Yeah.
Bluebell. We'll have to give that a nice sniff, eh? Here we go. Oh, is that ever nice? Oh, it's sweet like candy.
Yeah, can I put in there?
Yeah, set her down there. Yeah, smell that, Connor.
Yeah.
That is... it smells like... yeah.
Oh yeah. It's
Isn't
like a
that-
blueberry, but like blueberry syrup.
Yeah.
It smells very sweet.
Wow, that is just fantastic. Here's the catalog. Oh, so there's an example, eh? Oh, wow. Yeah, it's a beautiful catalog you guys put together.
Thank you.
Yeah,
Thank you.
really shows the potential of all the species and what you can get.
Yeah.
It's amazing. Wow.
In the one to decide.
Did he? Oh, he's a good designer then.
Teamwork.
Yeah, that's really nice. Well done. That's really good.
That's why we done the smaller versions, because one of our suppliers to get the small ones when we do the candle blooms.
Oh,
next to
okay.
it. I mean, they do
Okay,
this.
yeah.
Because we have prices from
What, that's me?
2 to 3. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
Price.
That's one.
Oh, okay,
Wow.
okay. Yeah, yeah.
That's the golden apricot.
So it has this one, yeah?
That's one. And on a big one there too.
Right.
Okay. I've got the ruby apricot, which is a different one, isn't it?
Yeah.
Is it?
Ruby
Okay.
fruit, both have fruit and flower.
Okay.
This one is this one. I mean this guy.
Oh, okay.
This guy.
With the sort of the compound leaf, eh? Like this.
Mm-hmm.
Wow.
Yeah, that's right.
Oh, another one here. Eh? Wow. Amazing. That water jasmine's big, eh? Look at the size of it. It's just. Wow. I don't know if you can see how big it is, but it's big. Well-developed tree.
See the water jasmine there, huh?
Oh yeah, let's have a shot. Here's a water jasmine in flower over here. Gotta squeeze in here. Oh yeah, look at this. There it is in flower. Oh, smells nice. Very fragrant.
I broke my rule.
Connor's looking at a tree here. Wow, what a good example. Holy-
great taper.
Yeah, very nice. Oh wow! And this is a water jasmine, is
Yeah.
it? Amazing, just amazing, Connor. Yes, that is quite a find.
This one here is frankincense.
Okay.
Oh, really? That's cool. Kind of grows like a Premna.
Yeah, they have flower white.
Mm-hmm.
Big like this.
Oh, that's nice, Ian.
We enjoy bonsai, more shorter.
Yeah.
But we do.
With the fat. Yeah, yeah. Yeah, like this is the perfect size.
I'm getting a gift of a pot to put my water jasmine in. What a wonderful pot. So I'll have a tree from Vietnam and a pot from Vietnam. That is cool. Thanks so much. That's wonderful.
You enjoy it.
I will. I can't wait to repot that tree. It's going to be fantastic. Thanks. So not only do they have a wonderful selection of trees, but they have an awesome selection of pots too. So you can find the tree you want and the pot to go with it. And then
It's not your name though, right?
Yeah, it's on my name because
Yeah, I figured. It's not like, okay, it's Derek, but you're Derek. Great.
I think the whole game's not hard now.
Yeah, for sure.
Yeah, it's been a while.
Oh yeah, because you're bringing up in your own.
I like that one in here. Wow. There's the information.
One with the vegetables.